On this episode of Science with Shields, we're explaining why the sky is blue.
We are beautiful science, compliance, baby, you and me, a cosmic alliance, defiance.
Hey everyone, it is meteorologist Christy Shields, and on this episode of Science with Shields, we are explaining why the sky is blue. And it all has to do with the scattering of sunlight. So, what you'll need for this experiment is a clear container, which I have here. You'll need some water, and you will also need some soap or milk, something that's going to give your water a hazy, milky look here. And also, again, a flashlight with more of a white light than a yellow or blue light. You want to make it more of a white light. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to move this one out of the way, and we are going to fill up our container, our clear container, with some water. Pour the water in and fill it up. The next thing we're going to do is take our soap and stick some soap in it to get it to look, again, a little bit on the cloudy side. And you will need a spoon here to mix this up. And you can see we are getting that cloudy look in our glass. Now, the next part of the experiment is the part that makes the most sense to do this in a dark space, but you're going to use, again, more of a white light flashlight. And if you stick it to the side of your glass of water, you can kind of see it's turning a little bit more in the way of blue light compared to a white light. It's a very small tint of blue. Now, how does this happen that we're getting to see, again, more of a bluish color with our light? And as I've said before, it's a little bit better when it's in a darker room or darker setting. Why is this happening? And I can show you with this one too. Again, you get kind of that blue tint to our glass here of water. So why is this happening? Again, it has to do with how light refracts. So what's happening is that our light, our flashlight, just like the sunlight, has many different wavelengths. And each one of these wavelengths is a different color, just like the rainbow. So what's occurring is that why the sky is blue is because blue is the color at the shortest wavelength, and so it's easier to see with our eye, and that's why we see a blue sky. How neat is that? Make sure to try out this experiment. Try it in the dark instead of the daylight, and you'll be able to see that blue color of light even better. And for more episodes of Science with Shields, you can head over to WTAJ+.